Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
I am Sunita Jain here from Hello Kids. I would like to welcome each and everyone to today's webinar on parenting in the age of coronavirus. So today I have three of our parents from different branches of Hello Kids. They have joined me to discuss more on parenting during lockdown during coronavirus. So it's my pleasure to welcome Suganya and Mrs. Suganya and Mr. Dinesh, Mrs. Srikala and Mr. Rajesh, and Mrs. Sonali and Mr. Jyoti Prakash. Welcome everyone to the webinar.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining me here. So we will start with your introduction. So let's start from Mr. Rajesh and Mrs. Srikala.
Hello, I'm Rajesh, and I work with Excel Orbit. My son Adi Krishna, he is studying in UKG now. So he has been associated with UKG from past 4 years. Uh, and my wife Srikala, she's.
I'm working in Accenture Services, and my son enjoys to go to school, and he likes to really mingle with the kids in the school. He has improved a lot going into school.
As mentioned by Sir, your son is going to Hello Kids since last 4 years.
Yeah, almost from playgroup onwards. Playgroup, second year playgroup he has started. From then
Now
on, he is there with fellow kids.
he'll be going to UKG in the coming session, right?
Yeah, in the coming
Yes.
session, yes.
Okay. So let's go to Mrs. Sonali and Mr. Jyoti Prakash. Can we have
Yes,
your
ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Sonali Sodangi. Actually, I am from Odisha, but we are here in Bangalore, Medhalli. I have a kid. Her name is Anvishri Mishra. Now she is in LKG and she is studying in Hello Kids Rising Stars, Medhalli, Bangalore. Thank you.
Hi, myself Jyoti Prakash Misra, and I am a production manager in Medric Limited. And my daughter enjoying going to school.
thank you so much. So Mr. Dinesh and Mrs. Suganya.
Hi ma'am, I'm Suganya. My husband name Dinesh Raju. My daughter name Hanvita. She's studying Hello Kids Plaza, Tirupati. She enjoying very lot to go to school. Really, we are very happy to see you. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. You can go.
Hello.
Hello. Not getting your voice. I don't know.
Having some network problem with Mr. Dinesh and Mrs. Suganya. They will be joining us soon. So today we are here to discuss more about like when your child had joined Hello Kids, what was your experience with Hello Kids, your child's experience with Hello Kids. As I got the introduction from all three of you, and in most of the cases, they are going. You people are associated with us from last 3 years, 4 years, or 2 years. So I want to know from Mr. Rajesh and Srikala that you mentioned that your child is going to Hello Kids since last 4 years. So, what was your experience and your child experience during this span of time? Like he started from playgroup and now he'll be in UKG.
Uh, yes, the experience has been very good because we started seeing a lot of improvement from the time he has started going to school, and he has started mingling with kids, teachers, and even non-teaching staff. So the experience has been wonderful with them, because even I have personally found that the teachers are very good. They're approachable. and I have been able to discuss the issues with them. And even the non-teaching staff, they take care of my son very well, because he is also in daycare, the same school.
Okay.
So yeah, so the experience has been wonderful. So I found that even regarding the safety of my kid, Hello Kids has been more than what I had expected.
Thank you so much. Your son is going to Hello Kids Roj, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's one of our like old branch, and Mrs. Meenakshi is taking care of that branch very well. Very experienced
Yes.
person. So nice to hear.
Even she's a very wonderful person to talk to, and I have been interacting with her. It's she's approachable always.
Yeah, that's the main thing, that the higher management, the teachers, the management is very much approachable. So that is the main
Yeah, that
concept in school. Why people are sending their children to a play school rather than a bigger or a higher school at this age, 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years. The reason is the environment is smaller in size, management is approachable at any point of time, the strength of the student in a class is less. Am I right?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that is one of the major reason why we as a parent should choose a preschool near to our residence, where the transport time or the traveling time is less, and individual attention will be given to a child. Like your child is going since playgroup, so he must be very much comfortable in the school. It's his school, like the environment is familiar to him, and his own
Yeah.
teacher, his own friends. So it's very much happy for him that he'll be like comfortable in the environment. So let's go to
Yes.
Mr. Dinesh and Mrs. Suganya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, when your daughter has started going to school, I mean, how long you are associated with Hello Kids, and how is your experience with Hello Kids?
2018, I'm joining my daughter to Hello Kids.
Okay.
In starting day itself, till now, she went very happily. Our teachers, and I want to mention our names, Bhavya ma'am and Usha ma'am, both are handling very well. Really, I'm very enjoying to say I'm joining Hello Kids School. Really, very happy. Really, I'm very proud to say this. And in study, education is foundation is very important for all. So I think the basic foundation of my child is good. Really very happy to see this. Um, in schools, everything they care very well and they support them. They know her mentality, a student mentality. Like that way they teach. Skills and all very nice, ma'am. We are friendly joining together. Her
It's
child's also.
wonderful to know this. It's
Ma'am?
really wonderful to know about each and every Hello Kids branches, and
Yeah, ma'am.
how they are taking care of their children and how they are approaching the parent. Thank you so much for sharing this with me. So now let's go to Sonali and Jyoti Prakash. Can I know,
Yes.
like, since how long you are associated with Hello Kids, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now my daughter Sanmishti Mishra, she is in LKG. From last year, we connected with Hello Kids. Initially, I want to say thanks to the Hello Kids management and all the staffs, their dedication, and they always work hard for all the students, for my daughter also. And they always encourage the students to participate extracurricular activities and always take care, and thanks for their dedication and passion. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing all this, your experiences with us here, so that everyone is able to know what was your experience, because we have so many parents. It's very difficult to bring everyone to the webinar, but whatever is possible, we are trying our best so that we can hear from you directly your experiences. So, Shrikala ma'am and Rajesh sir, like the routine was going on, your child was going to LKG, and everything was going on smoothly. Your child was happy going to school. Nobody was having any idea about this pandemic, COVID-19. It hit the world very badly. Nobody had planned anything. Nobody had imagined anything. So what was your experience when these schools got closed and this lockdown started? So what was your any difficulty or any challenges you faced during that time?
Um, yes, we felt sad that his schools got closed and the classes were not happening. And then we were wondering what is going to happen. Also, we were planning to put him into summer camps as well. But because summer camps help kids in growing up their talents.
Yes.
So last year we had put him for 2 months, and this year also we were planning to do the same. But then when this happened and schools got closed, we were wondering what is the next step. So lucky enough that the session started and half an hour sessions were happening. So that made us happy because it keeps the child connected to other kids and also with his teachers.
Whether you were
So
expecting from Hello Kids at that point of time that they'll be coming back to you with any session or something like that?
no,
Because
we did not expect that. It was a surprise for us.
okay, the session was almost going to finish by end of March, and I think by second week of March everything got shut down. Especially the schools started shutting down and everything. So you were
Yes.
not whether you were expecting anything that some sessions will be there from school side.
Sessions we were not expecting. Like we know that it is not possible immediately to go live or go online to teach the kids. But yeah, we thought we'll get some updates on what needs to be done. So which we were happy that they came back with information that what can be done during this time, and they help us through almost every day half an hour sessions to keep the kid engaged in some or the other way, which is very normal work which we do at home. So they were doing it, so we liked it very much.
The son is having any sibling or he's only one child?
No, he is the only child. That's a one concern. So he is not interactive with other kids. So the school helped a lot. School helped a lot there.
Also, we started working from home, so it was a difficult time to handle the kid as well at that point of time.
He's the only one at home with both of you, right? Can you hear me? Rajesh and Shrikala, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
The
yes,
voice is breaking, ma'am.
just a minute. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the challenge. Like you three has to be there inside a house, your home. You cannot go out. Your child is not having any like friend or any sibling at home to play with. And why we are sending your child to preschool? That we want an engagement for the child.
Yeah.
And that engagement is stopped because of so and so reason.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that is the challenge what you are talking about, that this is the issue or challenge you faced during the lockdown period when it started. And this is the
That's
only
right.
reason, and this is the only reason why Hello Kids had come up with the engagement sessions, like the live online engagement sessions. We will not call it as online learning at that point of time or virtual learning at that point of time, because we were mainly focusing only on the life skills or only on the experiential learning, that is only to make some engagement with the kids. The kids
Right.
can talk with their teacher, the kids can see their friends, at least they can have a small chat with their friends, and some connectivity will be there among the teachers and students. And we wanted to give some activity to the parents so that the parents and child can do it together at home
Right.
with the minimum resources which is available at home. We were not like planning some activity where we need this that from outside, which is not possible at that point of time. So thank you so much for sharing your views on this or your experience on this. So let's go back to Dinesh and Mrs. Suganya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Like what was your experience during this lockdown when it started?
While starting, it's very boring, ma'am. Before given this task, very boring. When the task will be started, and in that time itself, Really very happy. Day by day, we have to think tomorrow what tasks they are given. Really very surprised to all. And my daughter also very like to do this tasks and all. So she also asks every day, today what task ma'am given. So that and all, it's very interesting, ma'am. We can learn lots of things on this task. If you are not given this tasks and all, we lost lots of time. We can lose these things. So we are very happy to say this. Thanks for giving this tasks and all. We develop a child's motor skills, that memory power activities and all, practical activities. Lots of things we teach her. Without this, we cannot teach that and all. It's impossible. So we have to take challenge for this. Really, I'm very happy. Thanks for giving this task. Please
Thank you
continue for this. Continue for this.
for sharing to us. So now I'll go to Mrs. Sonali and Mr. Jyoti Prakash. Can you just share with me what was your experience?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yes, initially we had lot of difficulty to make our little ones to understand the situation about COVID-19. And yes, it is very tough to us. It was very tough to us also to understand the situation regarding this COVID-19. But as days passed, we were very aware for this Corona COVID, and we already learned that we stay home means we stay safe and stay happily. Uh, this is my opinion, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much for all this sharing of views from all of you. Now, I would like to discuss little more about the different kind of activities we have done during April and May. All the Hello Kids centers has given some activities, and they were doing it very regularly with their students. So I would like to first congratulate all my teachers who had given so much of effort from their side to take these virtual engagement sessions, because this is also a very new thing for them. They were not having any experience of taking any online classes or any virtual learning sessions. So it was, but they were very adaptive to all the new any technology or whatever we're introducing to them. It was very much adaptive to them. So I would like to congratulate all the teachers for giving their 100%, because taking a virtual learning session is more difficult than taking a physical class. So are you all agree with me that for a teacher, it's very difficult to take a virtual learning session than a physical classes, because they are very much comfortable in taking their 12 to 15 students inside the classroom and taking a class. But this is very new to them as well, as it's very new to the kids as well, because we never thought of this situation that a 3 year or 4 year or 5 year child also need to take virtual learning sessions in future. But at this point of time, whatever the situation is, this is the best solution what we have now. There is no alternative solutions to this.
Yes, ma'am.
So can I have any can I discuss, or can we discuss more on whatever activities we have done? What is your, like, you have liked the most, which activity you like the most? So Rajesh sir and Shashikala ma'am, which activity you like the most, which you did along with your child during this lockdown?
Like household work which he can do, very simple ones, but he was also happy standing along with us and engaging with us and doing the work. So that was the best thing which I felt. He will be knowing it very well, that what mom does or what dad does in the kitchen or in the balcony, which was very good. The house chores was very important, which he started doing it.
Rajesh sir?
I also like the leg and ball game which was given, because that was a very good exercise for the kid, and he was enjoying. He was calling me to take the video, because ma'am has shown to do it. So he called me and said, "Papa, I want to do it, and you take the video." So he was showing too much interest in doing that. So that activity I really enjoyed doing with him, and he was keeping doing the same thing. He was repeating it for a few days.
Thank
I
you.
think still now he enjoys doing that.
Okay, so I would like to hear from Sonali and Jyoti Prakash, like
Yes,
which
ma'am.
was your favorite activities during this lockdown?
Ma'am, actually, all the activities, all are very nice. We are feeling very happy with that activities during this Corona COVID-19. We are always busy and engaged with that activities, and we also repeat now that same thing what happened before also because school will not open. So that we want to continue that activity again and again with my daughter, and I think that my favorite activity with my daughter that I want to share with you, that meeting the sun, that is very that amazing, that scenery I like that one very much, and preparing the lemon juice, and the last one I thought that feeding the birds, because every day we know that this is the timing of sunrise, this is the timing of sunset, but due to work pressure or any work, so we can't able to see that particular timing, how that with limited time how sun from light to dark how it will change, and that is the very important to for all, and the beginning of the rise sun, it's very wonderful, and my
Thank you.
daughter that she feeling very happy that this type of activities gives us moral support and gives us that extra knowledge for her. And second one, that lemon juice, for that activity, I think all students learn that that name of that fruit, that color, that science, that math, and they know how to serve with our parents, with our elder ones. And already she told to her family members that when we will return to Odisha, that time I will prepare lemon juice and I will offer to you. All are, so that all are very happy with that activity actually. And
That's so
that
nice
last one
to
is
know.
feeding the cats. Actually, ma'am, it's very nice, because such type of feelings we created in our heart, that we also support our environment, that animals, birds, we also feed them, give some water, some food, so that I really enjoyed all. Thank
Thank you so much. As you all mentioned, all these activities, if you listen the activity name like feeding a bird or watching a sunset, this is all very simple activities which everybody knows. As Mrs. Suganya also mentioned, that we all know about all this, but when somebody is mentioning to do something, then it comes to our mind that let's do something today with our child. That is the only, like, on our priority list, that we should be able to give some activities where the child will be able to do along with their parents, and they will enjoy that time being together, because these activities are for mainly for engaging sessions. This is for the physical requirement of the child, the physical fitness of the child, or the emotional connect which we are not able to do as a preschool with the child at that point of time. At least that emotional connect be built with the parents or with the grandparents at home, right? So these are the activities which we have planned. As she mentioned, that sunset, watching a sunset, this is a very simple task, but how many of us has done this with our child? That is the question. But when it comes from a teacher side, the child is also excited. No, mummy, I have to do this today. Let
Yes.
me prepare a lemon juice, or let's go to the terrace and see the sunset, or let's go to the balcony and see a sunset. Or it, a mother or a father is also getting a structured way ki what we need to do today, because we are blank sometime, we're busy with our office work, we're busy with our household chores, right? So at that point of time we have a set of activities which we need to finish with our child today with a proper enjoyment. So can I go to Suganya and Dinesh sir about your experience with different kind of activities, what we have done, which one is your favorite one?
Really, I want to tell each and every task I like very much, ma'am. But in that, lots of things means mm, that home tour, no, that safety and safety measures which we have to
Yeah,
do in our home,
yeah.
like wet, while using, don't use wet hands for using switches, that and all. Uh, Home tour, wedding. watching wedding photos album. Really, that memories and all come back, ma'am. My daughter also asking me that I'm not here. Why? It's very nice that and all. And then bubble bath, that very nice. She enjoyed a lot. Ice cream making. That ice cream making nowadays we are not going out. So homemade ice cream is very good. So we prepared very well. She also enjoying a lot. Um, Lots of things we can learn in this
Thank you.
lockdown period,
Yeah,
ma'am.
that's what as you mentioned, learn. I mean, along with our child, I think we were also learning something with our child during this lockdown while doing these activities, right?
Mm. Yeah, ma'am.
As you mentioned, safety tour of home. Normally, we don't do with our child till the time
Yeah,
it's not
yeah,
instructed by someone or something like that. So when we
yeah,
do this, it's a very very important. Even for kids, also we do the same thing inside our school. The safety tour of your school environment, your school building. The child should know that what is my limit, where I should go, which one which I should not touch. So that's the thing which we used to do in our school. So now as the child is there at home full time 24 by 7, he should have a safety tour of his home also.
yeah.
So that's the like the concept behind it, what I'm trying to say. And we have done a clock activity where the birth time, your birth, how much, like how many of us has remembered the birth time of a child? Sometimes we don't. Like what is the birth time of my two children or one children? But by doing this activity, I don't think a child will forget his birth time.
Yes.
they
Yes.
are they are maintaining a birth time on the clock, so they will never forget the birth time. Maybe the parents will forget now, but the kids will never forget that what is the birth time. Birth date everyone remember, but what about the birth time? So that was one of the activity which we have done, which I liked personally very much, like of doing that also with my kids at home. So thank you so much for sharing all this. The major, like, what was the concept behind is that during this time, during the coronavirus, during the COVID-19, the main concept is staying at home, stay safe. And to do this, we need to increase the immunity of the child also, increase the immunity of ourselves. So for that, whatever possible from Hello Kids side, we have asked three people to have a lime juice. There is a point behind why we have asked you to make a lime juice, why we asked to have a turmeric milk, why we asked to have buttermilk, or why we were doing some physical fitness sessions, live sessions with folk fitness. So for everything, all the activities are interconnected. The main motive behind it, behind this, is increasing the immunity of the child and parents or whoever available at home, because that is the only one way we can like come out of this situation by building our own immunity. So these are the activities whichever is given is all related to immunity, apart from the other fun activities what we have done with parents and children. So now I would like to know that what is your opinion on continuing this virtual learning session in future, like for the coming session, how people are, why, how schools are approaching to you. What's your opinion on this, whether we should continue with virtual learning or we should wait classes to start, the schools to start? So Rajesh sir, can I go back to you? Can you share your views, your opinion on this? Should we wait or should we go ahead with the virtual learning session during this time?
Uh, as per my opinion, we should go ahead with this virtual learning session because uh, this will help the kids to be in touch with their friends and teachers.
What you're talking about, a connect would be there, right?
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me, sir?
No, ma'am, it's breaking.
Yeah. Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah, so what's your opinion? You are saying that it should continue. And what's the reason, I
Yes.
mean, reason behind it? What you think that why it should continue?
This will help the child to keep in touch with his friends and his teachers, because we don't know when this pandemic will end and when the schools will reopen. So if it goes on for a few more months, so child will lose touch with his friends and teachers. So that should not happen, because he's not able to go out and meet people or meet his friends. So this is the only way that he can be in touch with his friends and teachers.
So Shrikala ma'am, you want to add something to this?
I think the learning part gets added to it, and the learning which they give in the virtual sessions are good, and they're able to concentrate. So I feel the concentration level here is increasing when you see a small window with their teacher and friends. So they will have a look that who is speaking. So that concentration, I feel it is coming at certain point of time. I think so. In school, they might sit at one place, just roam around. When teacher says sit at one place, they will sit. But here they are listening to the teacher more. They are like, who is talking now? Whom we have to listen to. So that little concentration part comes here, which is good, which I felt.
That's a very good point you have uh, mentioned here, that this is the way of looking at something in a positive way. How you are talking about the concentration level of a child is increasing. Otherwise, there is so much of debate and discussion now going on that whether the screen time will be more, virtual learning session, it will hamper the child or this or that. These kind of discussions are going on. Some are positive, some are negative. So the way of looking at something, how we want to look at it, how you mentioned that the concentration level is increasing, the listening skills of a child is increasing. At one place in a small window, he has to sit and listen, and whenever his name is mentioned or her name is mentioned, he or she need to revert back at that point of time. So waiting for
Yeah.
that, they are learning from here. What these are
Yes.
the concepts what we teach at a preschool, right? In a different way. That was a physical school. There is a different environment, a place that they used to play. We used to teach them the wait for your turn. Now we don't have that options available. So from this way also we are teaching them wait for your turn. Whenever I'll take your name, you need to answer this or you need to talk to me,
Yeah.
right? So sharing and
True.
waiting for the turn, they are learning. They are increasing the listening skills. As you mentioned, they're increasing their concentration level. Initially, obviously, whenever a new admissions happened in a preschool, any of the preschool, even a child takes around 2 weeks to 1 month time to settle down in a school, right? Initially, they're little cranky, they are not very comfortable, they want to go back to home and all this, but within a period of 15 days to 1 month, they are very much comfortable. So why not now? Why not now? We need to give some time for this virtual learning session also to the child to get used to it. That is also one of the major reason why we have started 2 months back, that we don't know when the school will reopen. We need to make the child engaged, plus let them get used to all this. It will be in their routine in a few days. They'll be very much comfortable. They'll be routine. No, 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. हमें जाना है. We need to attend our online sessions now. And after the session, they have the whole day to finish their activities, whatever is mentioned by the school.
Yeah.
So let's go to Mr. Dinesh and Mrs. Suganya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Do you want to add something to this, that why this virtual learning should continue? If not, then what's the alternative solution to this? Any new addition you want to do you want to add to this?
Ma'am, pardon once again. I can't hear your voice.
So we were discussing about, should we continue with all virtual engaging sessions with our child now for the coming session?
Yeah, ma'am. Really, it's must. It's must for all parents as well as childrens and teachers. That bonding should be improving for this task. So we also very like to do all these tasks. So we have to learn multiple things for this way, not only a single way. We have to know multiple things. For in this lockdown period, below 10 years children or you are not comfortable to go to school. Uh, so that in home itself we can do this task. Please continue this classes, online classes. We also
Thank
want that.
you for positive feedback from you all, because whatever we are planning at our level, we should also know that what is the views of the parent, like what they are
Yeah,
thinking, what their views, how they are going ahead with it, like
yeah.
how experience of a parent also along with your child during these learning sessions. So thank you so much for sharing all this with me. So can I go to Sonali and Jyoti Prakash ji? Like, what's your opinion on this?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Me and my daughter both enjoyed those that online sessions because, ma'am, weekly 3 days that we connected with the teachers, with our friend, with my daughter friends and parents also, and weekly 2 days we connected through FB live sessions, and from that FB live sessions we all enjoyed because so many things are there, that yoga, exercise, and folk fitness, that dance with your favorite toys, with cap, dance with your that water bottle, and with dupatta, with ethnic wear, everything. And that one we enjoyed more, that the dance with Akshat Singh. He is from India Got Talent. It was
Yeah.
super, ma'am. My daughter enjoyed a lot, and we both very comfortable. We all
So
support.
you want this to continue
Yes, ma'am. We want this
for the
one.
coming
It
session
will
because
continue.
now the new
Yes,
sessions are going to start. So you want these sessions to continue in the new sessions as well.
ma'am. We both want that this session will continue with our that according with our syllabus also, because not only for live sessions only, that yoga, that dance, we also want to add that subject wise what she wants to learn in LKG also, LKG standard,
As
which
how Sonali had mentioned that earlier you had done more of life skills and experiential learning, fun activities, physical activities, and all. So now we are giving our best to prepare one curriculum where we can see to some academic requirement of a child who are going to nursery, LKG, or UKG along with all these activities. So these are all are in plan, and we have already shared few curriculum with all our centers which we are going to start. I think many of the branches has already started also. So whatever you have mentioned, like we should continue with this virtual learning because there is no alternative solution to this. We need to understand for 0 to 6 years, the most developmental time for a child. The brain is growing, physical growth is there. But if the learning we will stop for 6 months or 1 year, then how it will go with the child?
yes, ma'am.
Like cannot stop learning for any child. As I mentioned you, the normal activities which we have given in this 2 months of time, it was so simple activity, but we are not doing with our child at a regular day-to-day basis when we are going to our office or school or wherever. When even the kids listen more to their teachers. You all agree with me?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Like whenever a teacher says something, a teacher instructs something to a child, they listen to them more than the parent. It's a fact for everyone. So when a
Yes,
small activity also given from the teacher side, they are more excited to do that. So
yes,
that by keeping those things in mind, we have to continue all this till the time the schools are opening. We don't know when it will open, July, August, September, October. So we can't afford to have that gap of 2 months or 3 months or 4 months of learning for a small child who is not able to go out of his house also. He is completely locked down inside the home. Even in these lockdowns, we may be going out for some like some shopping, vegetable shopping, or any office work or something like that. But we are not allowing our child to go out of the home now also. Right. So what is the best alternative engagement we can provide to a child at this point of time? Think about that. I urge to all the parents, all the audiences here, think about this. What kind of engagement you can give to your child at this point of time till the situation is not under control? Accord- According to us, like whatever, like we are looking at the whole industry now all over the world. It's not about only India. Now it has hit the whole world. So what the best we can provide now? So as a parent, as a teacher, as a school, what we can provide to them, that's in our hand. Because child is adaptive to anything. Whatever we will provide to them, they will be okay with it within a short span of time. It all depends on the parents and teachers and the schools to give them that scope to get used to it. Like I would like to give a small example. Like normally we take all our kids during normal days we take our kids to swimming classes, we take them to skating classes, or we take them to some other classes because we want to give them that scope to learn new skills, right? Why we take them to these classes? Because we want them to add some skills to them. So I would like to like share one experience of my personal experience. Like I have a twins of 5 years. We just got a skates for them, and they learned it within 7 days at home. No teacher, no instructor, nobody. So for this, you can just think of ki how this child are more adaptive to any new thing you are giving to them. It's just a question or a thing of providing the scope to them, providing a what do you say, like you need to give that challenge to them. Just see how they are going about it. But as a parent, if you will think that no, my child cannot sit, he cannot sit for half an hour in front of a screen. If we stop that, then that thing will not build up. So I want all of you to, what do you say, just share some message with us, with the audience. One short message, whatever you want to share with the audience today. So I'll start with Rajesh and Shrikala. What message you want to share with the audience today?
Our message is to enjoy whatever the kids are doing, to be with them and see, to be with them when the classes are happening and see what's happening, uh, and see their teachers, and also see their friends, understand their friends, and also try to understand what teachers are teaching, so that you will know what needs to be done with your child, what needs to be taught to your child. So that will also help you in teaching your child at home when required. So take everything positively.
Thank you so much. So can I go back to Sonali and Jaiprakash?
Ma'am, I am feeling comfortable with this learning online sessions. I think some advantage and some disadvantages also. Advantages is that there is no age limit for learner, I think, and it is not expensive. Anytime our children should join or connect with their teachers properly. And the disadvantages, I feel that classroom sessions, classroom coaching cannot possible this corona covid in this situation. That is the main disadvantages. And in some cases that network issue also, that other problem also. But for free school, I think it is manageable because it is 20 to 30 minutes, or maybe it will continue up to 40 minutes, but we can manage. If as a teacher we cooperate with our as a parents we cooperate with our teacher, then I think it is possible, there is no problem. And I think we should not stop learning. That if this year will stop means what they will do after next year. If LKG I will stop my daughter's that study, I will stop, then what she will do in UKG. That is the main thing we should understand. As a parent, we should cooperate each other, and we should cooperate our teacher how to continue that learning. And I think it is there is no barrier for 20 to 30 minutes online sessions, because they are normally using mobile phones in other ways. They are watching YouTube channels, they are playing games and other things. So why not a valuable qualitative or quantitative both? Why they are not using that mobile phone with proper way as a study? And they daily basis they will meet their teacher and their friends and with their parents also, and they are feeling very happy. If it will stop means only blank mind, ma'am, and we are feeling very sad because no contact with each other, and always we are thinking that corona is here. So we think we should avoid that.
Thank you so much. So Suganya ji and Dinesh ji, you want to add something? Any
Yeah,
message
ma'am.
from your side?
Yeah, ma'am. because of Corona, please nobody worry about this. For classes, please enjoy these classes, virtual classes. Your plan with us only. Please go ahead. Don't worry about this. Nowadays, we can do everything. All facilities are here. Online facilities are here. So don't worry about that. Whatever we want, we can do way of online sessions. We can learn multiple things. This Corona, we have to take the challenging way. So please go ahead. The visual sessions will be continued. I think so. Please go ahead, ma'am. Thank you for you all.
For sharing your opinion on this. Like as Mrs. Sonali also mentioned that the classroom sessions we are not able to do it right now because there is no solution to this at this point of time. Obviously, as a preschool, we also want our kids back to school. We also want the situation to be under control, 100% safe, so that we can start our preschools, the physical preschools, because the child of this age, they enjoy playing in the school, to have a free play or classroom sessions or any free play with their friends. So that is there. We are eagerly waiting our schools to open, but before that, whatever best possible sessions we can give it to the child to build that connectivity, to maintain that connectivity with the school, with the teacher, with friends, with parents. We are continuing with all this, and thank you so much for sharing all your feedbacks, all your suggestions and messages to us, your experiences with us. It helped other centers to go ahead with more encouragement, with more motivation to go ahead, whatever they are doing, to give their 100% to it. So, thank you so much, everyone, for listening to us here. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice opportunity.
Thank you so much.